Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Binance Web3 wallet. So come here, once you launch your Binance, come here at the bottom right, click on assets, and then come here at the top right, click on wallet. Okay, they'll redirect you right here. This is your Web3 wallet, okay? Now what you need to do is come here and back up your wallet to get full access to the Binance wallet, right? If I click on backup now, I can click on backup right here. So you can back up with either Google Drive or with a QR code. I'll just choose Google Drive, put in my password. So just give it access to all of this for my account. There we go. Set up a recovery password. And then click on continue. Can do this as well. Make sure you toggle all of this on, click on understand. And now it's setting up your Web3 wallet. So it's backing up and encrypting everything. Okay, so make sure you save it somewhere properly, right? Go ahead and do that, because once you lose access, you will lose your wallet access forever, right? So now you can verify by entering your recovery password. All right, I'll click on continue. There we go, backup is successful. Now I'll press on OK. And here we go. So this is my Web3 wallet in a Binance, as you can see. Okay, well, let me actually go ahead and show you that this is actually a Web3 wallet. As you can see right here, I got an email that a Web3 wallet request was created. So really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.